Hey y'all, I'm Amy Morgan. I'm the marketing coordinator here for Pediatric Dental Associates and Orthodontics. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about National Children's Dental Health Month and what that means for you and your children. National Children's Dental Health Month is actually brought to you by the American Dental Association. It is celebrated every February, and it is a time where dentists, educators, and parents can come together and learn the importance of early childhood oral health care. Here at PDA&O, we want to make sure every child gets the best start to taking care of their teeth. This not only includes brushing. We want to make sure you understand the importance of flossing, as well as making sure they have good eating habits that they can carry with them for a lifetime. Here are a few tips that you can try at home to make sure that you are able to celebrate National Children's Dental Health Month with us. The first one might seem pretty obvious, but brushing twice a day. We want to make sure that your children are brushing once in the morning and once at night. You can make this fun by creating charts or by having fun games or music to play while they're brushing, and have them start keeping a timer so that they know that they are brushing for 2 minutes. Another tip is to make sure that your children are flossing in between any teeth that touch. This is going to start happening for kids at different ages. So your 1 and 2 year olds probably don't need flossing, but once they start to hit that 3-year-old mark, they start to get all those molars coming in line and everything starts to touch. That is when you need to introduce flossing. This will be something that you will have to be helping them with for a period of time, but once they get used to it, they should be good to go. We also recommend with that you can use floss picks over traditional floss. Our next tip has to do with eating healthy foods. We want to make sure that children are getting a healthy amount of fruits and veggies and trying to limit the amount of sugary snacks they intake. Some of the things we really want them to try to avoid are sticky and chewy candies or gummy snacks like fruit snacks. These have a habit of sticking in between the teeth and causing more cavities. Another sneaky food item that some parents don't realize can cause cavities are eating things that have a lot of carbs. These are going to be your chips, your crackers, and your goldfish. We are not saying that children should not have these types of foods or snacks. We are merely saying that they need to have them in moderation, along with a really good routine of brushing and flossing. And lastly, when it comes to oral health care for your children, you want to make sure that they are seeing a dentist at least 2 times a year. Typically, these appointments are scheduled 6 months apart. At PDA&O, we know as parents, it can be difficult to try to introduce all these things at one time. So give yourself some grace and pick one thing you really want to focus on this month. Maybe that's making sure your child is actually brushing once in the morning and once at night. If you haven't introduced flossing yet, this is the perfect time to go ahead and start introducing that oral health care habit for them. We are honored to be a part of this amazing community, and we want to be able to come alongside you and your family and help with any questions that you may have about your child's dental needs. You can always reach out to us by calling our office at 479-582-0600. And I am personally always available by email by emailing me, amy@smilesarewild.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you have a wonderful National Children's Dental Health Month.